To those of you who are here from my original Wildflower Cases unboxing that I posted about a week and a half ago, thank you so much for coming back for a second one. It means the world to me that that video has actually surpassed 2,600 views already, and it's just growing every day. Thank you so much for all the love on that video, guys. When the sun goes down. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome for those of you who have never seen this face before. My name is Bree. I live in New York City, and I usually do lifestyle and living in New York type videos. So if you're interested in that, please hit subscribe to help my channel grow. I have big YouTube goals, so it would mean the world to me if you would join me on my quest. And also, for those of you who are new, please let me know what other type of videos that you want to see from me. What videos would make you want to subscribe to my channel? Please let me know. I'm very curious to find out, and New York based videos would be awesome because, hey, I already live here. That's what all those sounds behind me are, okay? So let's get into the video. I brought some things, and then about 15 minutes later I went ahead and brought some more things because the discount was so big, and I knew these items I would want in the future anyways, so I figured I might as well get them when they have the biggest discount possible, because Devin and Sydney kept advertising it as their biggest sale, and I agree, 30% is a lot off. So thank you so much, Wildflower, for giving us such a great Black Friday discount. That was really awesome of you guys. Not all of my cases are here yet, but I'm going to show you guys the ones that are, and I'm going to show you guys the ones that are not here in a few days when they arrive as well. So on Thanksgiving Day, Devin and Sydney went on Instagram Live, and they announced their 2 new Wildflower cases, which were really exciting, one of which I will be showing you guys. I made this purchase on Thanksgiving. I didn't wait till Black Friday, which was the very next day. My package just arrived earlier today. Today is the following Friday, December 4th. It took exactly 1 week to arrive, just so you guys know, because a couple of you guys were asking me in my last video in the comment section. Please leave me comments, by the way. I love when you guys leave me comments. You guys were asking me about the shipping, how long did it take, should you buy express shipping, and if you live in the US. I live literally on the other side of the country, and I didn't need express shipping. So if you're buying it for somebody as a Christmas gift, then just make sure you order early and you don't have to pay any extra money for express shipping. That's my advice. And I just wanted to tell you guys why I purchased all of these cases, so you don't think I'm absolutely insane buying a ton of phone cases. I have never been the kind of person to switch out my phone case very much at all. I normally just buy one phone case per phone. It's normally like torn to shreds by the time it's time to replace the phone and get a new one. But anyway, a phone is just as much of an accessory as anything else that you're wearing, and I live in New York City. It's a very fashionable place. I've been obsessed with fashion my entire life. I'm not from New York. I've only been living here since I've been in my 20s. I'm a huge fashion freak. I'm a fashion person for sure. And I spare no expense when it comes to, I spare a lot of expense. What am I saying? I spare so many expenses when it comes to fashion. I'm always trying to find like good deals, trust me. So anyway, I think switching out your phone case to, you know, make a selfie look a little bit cuter, or to maybe just look good with your outfit, why not? You know, it's fun. It's just for fun. So it's for fashion. The point of what I'm trying to say is that it's just for fashion. It's just another accessory to me. So that is why I have so many phone cases from Wildflower now. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh my goodness. It's the shrooms. Oh, that's sick. Okay, let's take it out of the packaging. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's just as pretty in person as it looked on Instagram. So very exciting. Instagram did it justice. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is so stinking cute. This is so pretty. That is so sick. I love this. Guys, so this is what it looks like on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I first saw this on Dua Lipa. You guys know I love Dua Lipa. And I also saw it on Anastasia Karanikualu. I believe that's how her last name is pronounced. I think I did a good job of saying that. Only if I said it right though. This case is so sick to me. It's giving me like a little bit of a Smurfs vibe because of the mushrooms. Don't Smurfs like live under mushrooms or in mushrooms? Something like that, right? It's got kind of a Louis Vuitton monogram moment happening, but just the Wildflower version of the Louis Vuitton monogram. Just darling, so cute. For those of you who liked when I matched the cases to the screensaver, this is the one that I chose to match. Next we have, let's see, ooh, okay, we have the Latte Love. This is so exciting. Wow, this is one that I was a little bit on the fence about, because I don't know why I would be on the fence about it. I thought that the tones were like primarily like a fall toned case, but I do see myself transitioning this into my winter and spring and summer looks as well. So pretty. Oh my god, this looks exactly like a real latte. That's so sick. I should know. I should really know that it does. I've made my fair share of lattes for people in the past as a waitress. All right, wow, it's looking so good. Not even all the way on and it's already looking so bomb. Wow, okay. I first saw this screensaver on Bella Hadid. You guys know I adore Miss Isabella. Sorry, that was a reference to Arrested Development. Love George Michael Bluth, the whole Arrested Development family there. I wish they didn't discontinue that show. It was too funny. And I also saw it on somebody very striking. She's an influencer, Dosha Deng. She just looked striking with this brown phone case next to her rich brown skin. It just looked amazing. Thankfully, I was still able to find a screensaver from the Apple wallpaper selection that looks pretty nice still with this phone case. So next we have, oh my god, it's a Slumber Party case. This is the brand new case that Devin and Sydney just released last week on Thanksgiving. This is so exciting. Hopefully I'm the first YouTube video to be showing you this case. Oh my goodness, look at that. You guys, this is giving me true Sailor Moon vibes. Wow, this is so cute. Because Apple took away all of our pretty screensavers, at least the ones that I liked, I went ahead and Googled pink screensaver and used this one for the sake of the video. Now, as far as my influence to buy this case, I actually haven't seen a single person aside from Devon and Sydney using this case, because again, it's brand new and they actually featured it in their cute, adorable little catalog that they put out on their website. And it looked adorable, the little snippets of it that I did see. I'll take a picture with this phone case soon, and maybe they'll post me on Wildflower's Instagram showing a consumer using their product, maybe one of the first consumers using their product, this one at least. And because I know what I ordered, last but not least, we must have the flower power case. Wow, look at that. That is so 70s, like 1970s, 1960s vibes. Definitely giving me Scooby-Doo and the Gang vibes. If they had iPhone 12s back in the 1960s or the 1970s, whenever that show was based in, Daphne and Velma definitely would have rocked this case. Let's get it on. Wow, it's looking so good. Okay. For this one, with Apple's screensaver selection, it was easy to find one to match. There were many people on Instagram who influenced me to buy this case. I really didn't need much convincing. Come on, it speaks for itself. It is so colorful, bright, and cute. And I love any flower pattern, so for me this was an easy sell. Also, just in case one of you guys were looking for it, I found a glass screen protector from AT&T for what I would consider a reasonable price for a glass screen protector. My mom said I should mention it to you guys. She does watch my YouTube videos, as you might have heard me mention in my last one. So yeah, just in case you need one, that's one place you can get it. And so far so good. I'm very happy with mine. It protects my phone from getting all scratched up. My order also included this really cute handwritten thank you note, and these were the 2 stickers that came with my order. The 2 single stickers. Where are the rest? I don't know, but it's okay. We're not paying for the stickers really with our package, so it's all good. Y'all, so I don't know which one I want to keep on my phone for the rest of the day. I started with the Heavenly Hearts, but look how quick my life has changed. So I went with the Slumber Party, aka the Sailor Moon one, for the rest of the day. I was dying to see what it looked like in person this entire week that I've been waiting, so now I can look at it for the rest of the night in person. Let me know in the comments down below which Wildflower case you would choose if you were gonna buy one. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more similar content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!